today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the camel walk, which is this dance move right here. Awesome footwork move. Now for some of you, this might be an easy dance move and you can just copy it right away. But for the others, it might seem a bit off when you do it, and that's why I'm here to explain like what to think about and what to focus on in order to make it look right. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so in order to teach you guys this dance moves, we're going to do two exercises. The first exercise is lifting your foot when you need to do the transition between switching the weight from one leg to another. Alright, so I'm lifting here. The second exercise we're going to do is jumping instead. So jump, jump, jump. Alright, let's start with the first exercise. So if you're standing near a wall or a chair or something like that, might be a good idea just to get some support so you can do things slowly. Alright? Now what I want you to do, let me just show it to the front now. What I want you to do is slowly just lifting your left up on your toes, and then right comes up as well. And then you want to say land. Alright? Let me show it from the side. What I'm doing here is I'm going up on my toes with my left, right is here, saying land. Notice how my right leg is landing slightly in front of the left, right? Let me show you it to the front again. I'm going boom, boom. Let me show it from the back as well. I'm going boom, boom. Okay? Just try that a couple of times. It's gonna go boom, here, go back, boom, boom, go back. And again, I'm not doing a soft landing, I'm doing flat foot here. Boom. Alright? Boom. Now, once you can do that, what I want you to do is do it to the opposite side. So now I'm gonna say lift. I'm up on my toes with my right leg, and my left leg is up here, say land. Okay? Bring it back and then do it the same. Boom. Do it from the side. Boom. And then last one. Boom. Now, let's try to switch from side to side. So what I mean by that is we're going to start left up on the toes, right says land, and then right goes up on the toes, left says land, switch, land, switch, land, switch, land. Let's try that once more. Left up on the toes, boom, boom, switch, boom, switch, boom, switch, boom. My last one, switch, boom. Alright, so once you can do this, where you're just lifting, alright, using all of your weight to lift, land, lift, land, lift, land, what I want you to do is say jump instead, right? So the difference is, this is me lifting, this is me jumping, alright? So you sort of doesn't use any strength in your calves here, it's just the thighs doing the jump, alright? And if you want to do it a bit more exaggerated, you can go like this. Alright? And that way you won't be in doubt that you're jumping. Right? Boom. Okay? Just do that a couple of times. But the secret here is you want to keep this one still planted on the ground without lifting it up. Alright? So jump, boom. Now I'm exaggerating. Jump, boom. Jump, boom. Last one. Jump, boom. Now practice to the other side. Boom. I'm just going to show you to the front here. Boom. Boom, from the back as well. Boom, boom. Okay? And then you want to do it from side to side, right? So what I want to do is I'm saying jump, boom, jump, boom, jump, boom, jump, boom, jump, boom. Alright? I don't know about you, but the jumping for me is a lot less demanding for my leg muscles, alright? So just do that a couple of times. Jump, 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 jump. Once you can do that, what we want to do is something in between. Alright, so we're not lifting it entirely, but we're also not just only jumping. Alright, we want to do something that's in between. So just try to do both and then try to find the magic here. Boom, alright? So if you just look at yourself doing this move, you want to say it looks like I'm jumping too much, you can dial that a bit down and do more lifting instead. Alright? But what you notice is that when you do this move, it definitely sounds like you're landing from a jump, right? Just listen to the sound, boom, like it's very heavy, boom, 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 all right? So just practice lifting, jumping, try to do something in between, and then in the end, it will look like this, boom, 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 boom. I will say that it's more jumping than it's lifting. All right? Boom, 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 boom. All right. Final detail, if you want to add some more flavor, what you can do is do like this. Boom, back, boom, back, boom, back, boom, back, boom, back, boom, back. So it feels like you're moving both legs back a bit, also a bit your body here, and you're creating this spring effect, all right? So you want to go front, back, front, back, front. So every time you go to the front, you want to take a step to the front or jump to the front, all right? So front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. All right, so when you do it a bit faster, it's going to look like this. A. Hey guys, this video is sponsored by SlickComments, which is a new cool site where you can join different video contests like this dance challenge that I've just created on their site. You can win $100 and all you need to do is basically just post a video of yourself either as a YouTube Shorts or a regular YouTube video and then post a link on SlickComments. For this specific challenge, you just need to do the dance move from this tutorial, and then you also need to show a handwritten note like I've shown here, just so we know that you're not using someone else's video. The link to my challenge is in the description and in the comments field, and the competition will only run for 6 days, so you need to hurry up and join it before it's too late. Alright, good luck. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.